Ah dear. Late start today, 8:50, but I did have a big breakfasts because this trail has got a high possibility of not coming back from. So I might as well be full if I'm going to die up there. Anyway, this is legend. If you can get up this, you are indeed a legend. Now, in my knowledge, only me and Axel, the German, have been up this, and we're both in our mid-60s. All the 30-year-olds that I brought up here, and 28-somethings I brought up here the other day, couldn't even get to within 2.8 kilometres of the start of it before they had to go home. So, I come up here yesterday afternoon and I cleared out a couple of really nasty bits on the way in, because you don't need to be doing technical shit before you even get to the technical shit, because you're going to be knackered by the time you get there. Plus, if you get injured doing the second lot of technical shit, you've got to come back through technical shit in order to get home. Right, so that's the long intro done. Let's do some riding. Now, YouTube and its infinite wisdom, and what was it they said they had an award for? Freedom of expression? Yeah, that lot. When I upload this, they will prevent you from actually seeing it, because it just won't get promoted to any of my subscribers. So, both of you that watch this, hello. Oh, great start. I'm going to make a little shorty of all the river crossings at the bottom. Well, actually, in order to do that, I ought to be pausing it on the bits where I'm riding on mud. Because the longer the video, the less chance I've got of anybody watching it. And you see, if you don't watch it from start to finish, YouTube get it in their head that you didn't like it, and you probably didn't, but I don't care. But that goes against me. So then they block it even harder. More water. Rockery. Would like this one. Followed by some of these are quite deep now as well. I did literally fill my boots yesterday, and I think I fell off on the next bastard. Yeah, this one here cast me into the depths because the rocks are slippery. That's a lot more tricky than it used to be. I've got wet feet now. Dips in quite well, and this one's mostly slurry, so we won't dwell in there. And this one used to go straight up, but there's a rock fall. So now we've got to go around the outside. Oh, I've got to run runny nose. Right, choice. Those rocks aren't normally slippery like that, but they've been getting quite algaed up. Two full turns of extra preload on my rear shock, and I have to admit the bike has changed completely. I had terrible trouble getting it to track properly on the front end. It was just too light under acceleration and hill climbing. Oh god, it was just flapping around, pulling wheelies everywhere. But yeah, a couple of turns on the old YSS, and it's behaving itself now. Oh, my nose is dripping onto me mustachio. I'm gonna have to get that wipe. Oh, that's better. I said I'd only film the water crossings, but to be honest, they're close enough together. We just let it cook. Where do we normally go higher up than this? Early bath, sir. Early bath. No, this is the one. No, it's not. No, it was the one back there that caught me out yesterday. I think this one's a little bit slippery, and oh no, this has got an island now, whereas it used to be quite vigorous and deep in the middle. It's 6:30 according to the clock there. Beautiful fresh morning, and there's a tree down here, so we now gotta go here. Another tree blockage here. Ziggity zag. And going up. And into the fresh swamp. And they've opened up the drainage ditch here. So got to be a bit cautious on that bridge. And then that's completely knackered up there, so now I'll just cut this out. Got myself stuck in that. I hate jumping trees, I really hate it. But that's only a little one. Stop. Careful on the drainage channel. There we go. 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 saying about jumping trees. This is as far as the other lot get without having to sit down for half an hour and have a rest. Oh, didn't do that very well, did I? And it's digging out more around the back there, but I ain't got time for that.